Lawyers have many jobs that they have to do. Some of those jobs are functional jobs. Some of those jobs are emotional jobs. Some of those jobs are societal jobs. And some of those jobs are just to fill the needs that the lawyer's clients have. When we think about the functional jobs that lawyers have, this is where lawyers spend the majority of their time, at least 75% of their time. The case analysis, interviewing clients, research, writing, and advocacy. In order for them to do their functional jobs competently, they need resources. Those resources include a number of things, the least of which is the skills and knowledge that they need to have in order to do their job competently. Assuming that they have the skills and knowledge to do their jobs competently, then it would be a lot easier for them to do those functional jobs when they have the resources that a well-staffed firm provides, such as legal assistance, client services, administrative services, accounting services, and the physical space that is comfortable and have the physical resources that they need to do their jobs. Assuming that the lawyer has all that he or she needs to do their functional jobs for their clients competently, they still have to deal with the emotional jobs. And those emotional jobs deal with the emotional issues that come along with representing clients. Oftentimes, we're just dealing with the negative emotions that clients have to deal with because we're helping them resolve conflicts. Negative emotions of anger, of frustration, of anxiety, of depression, of just being frustrated because of the legal issues that they're facing. So a lawyer should also be equipped with some knowledge of psychology and human behavior and cognitive science in order to help him or her do the emotional jobs that they have for themselves and their clients, because quite frankly, when the client leaves the office, the lawyer is still dealing with the repercussions of the emotional issues that the client brought with them through the door. Sometimes the lawyers take those emotional issues home. So not only is the lawyer focusing on the functional job that he or she has, but he's also focusing on the emotional jobs that he or she has. Well, assume for a minute that the lawyer is very competent at the functional jobs and is equipped with the knowledge and tools to deal with the emotional jobs. Does a great job at those things. Well, then the question is, what kind of obligation does that lawyer have in that case towards society? Is there an impact on society with the work that that lawyer does? And how does that lawyer relate to society and the community at large? Those societal jobs become very important as well. For some, it becomes a natural process, and they're very comfortable advocating on behalf of their clients within the community, whether that be through the court, an administrative agency, through the media, or any other outlet. The lawyer needs to develop those skills, has to acquire that knowledge, and gain some experience in that in order to be competent in those areas. Underlying all of those jobs is understanding what the client's needs are, not just what the client wants, but what the client needs in any particular situation. And so that job of identifying the client needs and understanding how to deliver those needs that the client has is critical for a lawyer, not only for that client, but every other client that that lawyer has. So my hope for every lawyer is that those lawyers will not only develop the knowledge and the skills and have the experience in order to be able to do their jobs competently, their functional jobs, their emotional jobs, their social jobs, and identifying their clients' needs and fulfilling those needs, but also to be in an environment that fosters those things. And that's exactly what we try to do here at CPLS PA. We try to foster an environment and provide the lawyer with resources and opportunities so that he or she can actually maximize their ability to do their functional jobs, their emotional jobs, their societal jobs, and to actually understand their clients' needs and try to fulfill them as much as possible.